inverse, tan inverse, sorry, under root 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x. This is your seventh question. ठीक है, this is your seventh question. So we already made a table for it. ठीक है, मैंने आपको बहुत पहले टाइप 4 पे टेबल लिखवाई थी कि this is type 1. Please note down, this is very important for type 4. This is type 1, first type of table. This is second type of table. We already have done this. This is third type of table. The first type of table, if you have 1 minus x square, if you have anywhere under root of 1 minus x square, then we always let x is sine theta. Why we let x is sine theta? Today we discuss this thing. Okay, why not cos theta? Then x is tan theta. If you have x square minus 1, then we let x is sec theta. We already completed this thing. We have already लिख चुके हैं 1 plus x by 2, 1 minus x by 2, 1 plus x, 1 minus x, 1 minus x, 1 plus x. We always let x is cos theta. If we use the first table, then this is 100% sure if we use these three formulae. Okay, one of them, out of these three, we use one formula. If we use this type of number, if we use table 1, then we use this formula. This is confirmed if we use this formula. Okay, this is the table 1. But in table 2, we have this formula sine 2 theta, cos 2 theta, and tan 2 theta. These are all from 11th class. Okay, 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Cos 2 theta is 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Tan 2 theta is 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. Then we have third table, that is sin 3 theta, cos 3 theta, tan 3 theta. Sin 3 theta is 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Then tan 3 theta is 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta. So this is about the type 4. Please जिन बच्चों ने classes miss की हैं एक बार again देखो. This is type 4. In the last type of the inverse trigo, and this type is common with your inverse differentiation. ठीक है? This type is common with the inverse differentiation. So how we start this question? This is already x. This is तो है ही नहीं. This is already cos x. So we use this formula: 1 minus cos x, 1 plus cos x. So tan inverse 1 minus cos x means 2 sin square x by 2. 1 plus cos x means 2 cos square x by 2. Today we only finish NCRT. आज हम सिर्फ NCRT करेंगे. Then day after we start inverse exemplar. तो देखो sin square by cos square, that is tan square. Tan square in under root, that means tan x by 2. So this is cancel and you get the answer is x by 2. Okay, this is the seventh question of your NCRT. Then we start with the eighth question of your NCRT. This is seventh question from NCRT. Okay, that is very, very easy. There is no problem. This is very easy. Okay, then we start the question number 8 from your NCRT. Please see your 8th question. Okay, that is 8th question from your NCRT. And tan inverse cos x minus sin x. देखो already you have a book. तो मैं आपको डायरेक्ट बोर्ड पे लिख रहा हूँ. This is 8th question. Today we only finish NCRT. आज मैं सिर्फ NCRT ही करूंगा. ठीक है, tan inverse cos x minus sin x upon cos x plus sin x. Your aim is you always convert this number into 10. Okay, my aim is that this convert into 10. So in 11th class, if you remember, you have a one question cos 11 minus sin 11 upon cos 11 plus sin 11 is equal to 10 34. This is a question of from 11th class. ठीक है, तो अगर किसी को learn है what we do in 11th class, we divide by cos 11 here. So same thing with dividing by cos x. This is a simple trick in inverse trigo. This is the first trick in inverse trigo we are using here. Dividing by cos x to numerator and denominator. If you divide by cos x, then what we have? 1 minus tan x upon 1 plus tan x. But my aim is not solved because we require 10 here and we get 1 minus tan x upon 1 plus tan x. इसका हम क्या करेंगे? So this is, देखो again you see here what we do here. This is 1 we replace with 1045. Please carefully see here. This is 1045. Now 1 plus this one we again written here 1045 because the values of 1045 is 1. So we can replace this one by 1045. Okay. Now if you see, okay, this is 10a minus 10b upon 1 plus 10a 10b. is the formula 10a minus b, that is 1045 minus x. So answer is 5 by 4 minus x. Please copy this question. देखो, this is the very important 8th trick है. This is the 8th trick we already generally we use here. Okay, this is the 8th trick. Please start this one. Because this is the 8th question. If you're on your screen, if you see your 8th question, this is the 8th question. Okay, we already done. Now we start question number 9. Because this is the 9th question. This is a small trick in 9th question. Okay, in 9th question we have a square minus x square. Okay, we have a square minus x square. If we have 1 here, therefore now we start the 9th question. Okay, please see. Today हम सिर्फ NCERT करेंगे. We finish NCERT 2.2 and then miscellaneous. We come on 9th question. We already done 8th question. ठीक है, 9th question. तो हम आज ये भी डिस्कस करेंगे what are the role of these numbers. ठीक है, जो पीछे given होती हैं, what are the role of these numbers. ठीक है, what are the role of these number, x less than minus a by root 3, a by root 3. What are the role of this question? So first we start question number 9. Okay, that is tan inverse x upon under root a square minus x square. This is the question number 9. Okay, see your board now. Question number 9. This is tan inverse. Please carefully see here. This is tan inverse x upon under root of a square minus x square. We written here 1. Okay, in book they are given a square. Now the first how we start these questions. First we start with the table number 1. This is table number 1. This is table number 2. This is table number 3. So start with the matching with the table number 1. Okay, we start with the table number 1. If you use table number 1, then you use these formulas. This is a compulsory to use these formulas. Okay. So this is under root 1 minus x square. Because it is matched with the table number 1. Under root 1 minus x square is given in the question. So we are supposing x is sine theta. Now, why we let x sine theta? Because if you let sine theta, so this is 1 minus sine square theta. And it is the identity cos square theta. So it is become cos square theta. Cos square theta, that is in square root, so it is become cos theta. But the problem is that in book it is given a square. So my सारा मेरा a loss हो जाएगा because a square minus sin square theta is not a cos square theta. But if you let here x equal to a sin theta, if you let x is a sin theta, देखो ऐसे केसेस में हम भी a sin theta let कर लेते हैं. If you let a sin theta, then you have a square, and for a square if you have, then you can take common a square. So this is the benefit of a sin theta. So here we let x is a sin theta. Okay, if they are given a square minus x square, then we let x sin theta. If we are given a square plus x square, then we let x equal to a tan theta. So if you let x equal to a sin theta, then this is tan inverse. Please, if you have any problem, then you WhatsApp me. Okay, I solve this problem. If you have any doubt, तो अभी भी आप पूछ सकते हैं. ठीक है, you have any doubt, then you can ask with me. ठीक है, you can ask. Because this is tan a sin theta. We let a sin theta. This is a sin theta. Now this one is a square minus a square sin square theta. Okay. Now this is tan inverse a sin theta. We are taking a common from a common. Then this is cos theta. This a is cancelled with a. Then tan inverse sin theta by cos theta. That is tan theta. Then answer is theta. Now how we find theta? Because this is x equal to a sin theta. That means the values of sin theta is x by a. Then this theta is sin inverse x by a. Okay. So see here, this is x equal to a sin theta. Okay, that is theta equal to sin inverse x by a. Now we start question number. This is the question number. ये question number 9 था. Now we start question number 10. Okay, question number 10 we start now. So 10th question is for you. Okay, now I am written 10th question. Please copy down this question. आप इस क्वेश्चन को लिख लीजिए. I given you time. 10th question. This is 3a square x minus x cube upon a cube minus 3ax square. So this is the question number 10. Okay, this is your form book. This is question number 10. Because in 10th question, first we match with the table number 1. Table number 1 is not matched because table number 1, all the numbers have a square root. Here is not a square root. Okay, in table 2, this is a formula, but that formula is not matched with this. But if you say this with this, so formula is match. Okay, formula is match. The only problem you have here a, and you have not here a. So you let x's, you let something x. If this a is not there, then you let x is tan theta. But you have a here, then you let x equal to a tan theta, and you solve. Please now you reply to me. Okay, please solve the question. Solve the question. This question is for you. This is not for me. Solve this question. Okay, and reply to me. This is the question for 10th number for you. This is not for me. Okay, one student is solved. That's good, beta. Please solve this question. Yes, Divya Sapra, they given the reply. They're good, beta. First of all, then how we solve these questions? We match with the table number 1, then table number 2, then table number 3. These tables are for this type of question. So first we see which form which it is matched with this number. So therefore this is matched with the third type. This is the formula of tan 3 theta. But the problem is that you have here a. So therefore we let x equal to a sine theta and we get the answer. Yes, Ashwar is also reply. Good, beta. Yes. Now I'm taking a name of one student and that only that student replied to me. Please, मैं भी देखता हूँ ये class लेते हैं बैठे रहते हैं. Okay, please only one student replied to me. Please, I am taking the name of one student and that student only replied to me. Okay, yes, Dabas, 12th B class. Please reply. Yes, Dabas. Are you listening me? Yes. 32 student reply to me. Sitara is also reply. Good beta Sitara. देखो these are the fuel for us. ठीक है, if you reply me, मुझे भी लगता है बच्चे पढ़ रहे हैं. Okay. Yakisha Narang reply. Yes, good beta. Good, good, good. Swahani Garg reply to me. I am waiting for yes Dabash. Okay, yes Dabash. Let x equal to 8 and theta and then solve and then give the answer. Yes, Parvini. Admission number 11439 12th E class. They also reply. Good beta. Ayushi clap for this. घर से बैठने के लिए clap करो भाई. Parvi 12th E. Yes, they also reply. Yes, Dabas. We are waiting for you. देखो if I take name of any student and that not reply तो उसके पेरेंट्स को मैं फोन जरूर करूंगा. देखो स्टूडेंट आपका रिप्लाई नहीं करता है ना. And they so this is the question number 10. Yes, Dabas. Okay, आज आपकी पीटीएम है. आप तो मेरी क्लास के हो. देखो now we start the question number 11 from your book. Okay, we take 11 question from your book. That is 11 question from your book. That is very very easy. This is again for you. Okay, 11 question is again for you because this is very easy. This 11th question is again for you. देखो this is the number question number 10 inverse 2 cos inverse sin inverse half by 1 by 2. Okay, so this is a type number 1. You let 1 by 2. This is 2 sin inverse half. Sin inverse half means 30 degree. You reply me now. This is again very simple question. We directly do question number 13 now. Yes, yes, Dawaj ji ने delete कर दिया करके reply. Okay, Shakti 12C. Yes, good beta. Fastest answer 12C. Yes, yes, Dawaj ने reply कर दिया है. Good. But yes, Dawaj ने इसको divabetic को निकाल दिया है. ओहो. Yes, Aishwarya also reply for this question. Yes, 11th question for you. देखो this I think क्लास काफी टाइम बाद हुई है तो आपको थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम तो आ रही होगी बट please cooperate us. Question number 13 now we start on the board. Please see your screen. Question number 13 is 10 half sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square plus cos inverse 1 minus y square upon 1 plus y square. This is question number 13. We start question number 13 on board. Okay, we are starting question number 13 on board. This is tan inverse. देखो question number 13. Yes, so many students reply. This question is number 11. Good, beta. Good, good, good. Okay, we start question number 13. Please stop. Now you see your screen. आज हम सिर्फ एनसीईआरटी ही करेंगे. ओके, तो आप प्लीज इसको देखते रहो. बट द वन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग डिस्कस आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे. तो प्लीज वेट फॉर दैट. Cos inverse 1 minus y square upon 1 plus y square. देखो this is the question number 13. Okay, 13 question, again the same problem. This is type 4 question. First we let x something and then let y something, because we have two terms, x and y. Okay, so first we start with the table number 1, doesn't match. From table 1 it is not matched, but from table 2 it is matched. There 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. If you see this one and this one, it is all directly matched. These are the match. This is the match with this formula, and again this match with this formula. Okay, this is 1 minus tan square, 1 plus tan square. But the problem is that one is x, second is y. So you cannot let x is tan theta and y is tan theta, because the variable are different. One is x and second is y. Then what we do, we take x is tan theta and y is tan phi. Okay, if you not phi, then alpha and beta, a and b, you can take a and b. अगर आप थीटा आपको phi नहीं मालूम है, तो you can let a and b. Okay, you can also suppose a and b. That is tan half. This is sine inverse. That is 2 tan A upon 1 plus tan square A. Okay, then that is cos inverse 1 minus tan square B upon 1 plus tan square B. Okay, this is the number. Okay, now if you see, this is sine 2A. देखो, this is sine 2A. Okay, this is matched with the sine inverse sine 2A, and this is matched with cos 2B. So this is cancelled with this, tan half. देखो sin inverse is cancel with sin, so that is 2a. This cos cancel with cos, that is 2b. 2 can cancel by taking common a plus b. So this is tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a tan b. देखो NCERT is also important in university go. The weightage of the university go is 1 plus 2 or 4 marks, maximum 4 marks. Generally it comes 1 plus 2. ठीक है, तो this is tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a tan b. What is tan a? Tan is x. What is tan b? Tan b is y. So answer is x plus y 1 minus xy. This is the final answer. Okay. अब नाउ यू सी योर स्क्रीन. अब मैं एक चीज एनसीईआरटी से बाहर करने जा रहा हूँ, एंड दिस इज वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग जो अब मैं करने जा रहा हूँ. इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. देखो, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग जो मैं करने जा रहा हूँ. दिस इज द थिंग. 1 मिनट. ठीक है, अब मैं एक चीज आपको करने जा रहा हूँ. दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. देखो, प्लीज सी योर दिस स्क्रीन. यू सी योर स्क्रीन. ओके, यू सी योर स्क्रीन. देखो, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. प्लीज सी योर स्क्रीन. अब मैं आपको स्टार्ट करूंगा. व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ नंबर्स? जो पीछे नंबर्स होती हैं, व्हाट आर द रोल ऑफ दिस? नाउ यू सी दिस एग्जांपल नंबर 3 फ्रॉम योर एनसीईआरटी. यू हैव टू क्वेश्चन, फर्स्ट पार्ट एंड सेकंड पार्ट. यही इन्वर्स की मेन थिंग है. अगर आप इन्वर्स में ये सीख गए तो आपको पूरी इन्वर्स आ गई. ओके, बट इन जनरली इन बोर्ड पेपर्स दे आर नॉट गिवन दिस टाइप ऑफ प्रॉब्लम, but in RD they are given lot of question in this type of the problem. देखो, this is the first part and you see third or second part. Both are the question are same but the answers are different. देखो, the first question is sin inverse 2x upon under root 1 minus x square equal to 2 sin inverse x. And if you see second question is again same but the answer is 2 cos inverse x. How this is happen? देखो, this x is given. If you see your domain, देखो, x is given in the first question lies between minus 1 by root 2 to 1 by root 2. But in second question, x is given 1 by root 2 to 1. So if we change x, so according to that answer is also changed. In NCERT, you have only one example 3 when they are given this type of the problem. But no question they are given this type of problem. They every time they match with this table. जो मैंने table आपको बोर्ड पे लिखवाई है, वो every time match with this table. When we let under root 1 minus x square, we let sin theta, not cos theta. Why not cos theta? Because that doesn't match with your domain. Okay, so now you see we see solve these two questions, but बहुत carefully ये questions देखने हैं आपको. ठीक है, you say carefully this question. This is very very important question. This is only one technical problem in university go. Okay, this is the only one question when we have a technical problem in this question. This question is sin 2x under root 1 minus x square, and the given x is lies between minus 1 by root 2 to 1 by root 2 in first part. ठीक है, this is the main question. Please अगर नहीं आएगा then you WhatsApp me. ठीक है, if you have any problem then you can ask me. This is first part and second part. Now we solve this question. ठीक है, अब मैं इसको solve कर रहा हूँ. You see on your board. अब आप please board पे देखो. This is the question, first part and second part. This is given sin inverse. So with table number 1 is matched. Okay, बहुत ध्यान से देखना. This is a very very important sum. There is only one technical problem, but luckily ये कभी board में नहीं आते हैं ऐसे questions. ठीक है, they're given only for school exam. देखो, this is sin inverse 2x under root 1 minus x square. With the table number 1 it match. x is sine theta. Okay, so we let sine theta, that is sine inverse 2 sine theta into 1 minus sine square theta. So 1 minus sine square theta, this is 2 sine theta into cos theta. We already said if you use this table, then you also use these formulae. Okay, if you use table number 1, so these formulae are compulsory. Okay, so 2 sine theta cos theta, it is the formula of sine theta. अब प्रॉब्लम क्या होती है, वी ऑलवेज कैंसल विद साइन. ओके, व्हेन वी हैव साइन बाय साइन हम फटाफट कैंसिल कर देते हैं, बट दिस इज नॉट हैपन. ये ऐसा नहीं होता है. ठीक है, आप ऑलवेज कैंसिल नहीं कर सकते हो, बिकॉज फॉर दैट यू हैव अ कंडीशन. You have a condition ki sine inverse of sine x is only x when x lies between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. और हम ये चेक ही नहीं करते और कैंसिल कर देते हैं. In generally 99.9% question they are not create the problem, but here is the problem. देखो the first part. Now we start first part. Okay, the solution of first and second part till this step is same. After that the change. So we start first part now. देखो in first part they are given x is lies between minus 1 by root 2 to 1 by root 2. ठीक है. Now what we suppose x, what we are supposing x is sin theta. So we write here sin theta. देखो this is sin theta lies between minus 1 by root 2 to 1 by root 2. प्लीज ये एक थोड़ी सी प्रॉब्लम वाला क्वेश्चन है. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा टफ क्वेश्चन है, बट प्लीज सी, अगर मैं नहीं कराऊंगा तो ये चीज छूट जाएगी. ओके, नाउ दिस इज थीटा. थीटा इज sin इनवर्स minus 1 by root 2 to 1 by root 2. Now minus 1 by root 2, come minus sign outside, sin 1 by root 2 to theta is sin inverse half. Now 1 by root 2 is the values of pi by 4. So minus pi by 4 to pi by 4. But here you have 2 theta, so you multiply by 2 to 2. So minus 2 theta lies between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. And this is the condition. यही आपकी condition होती है कि 2 theta lies between minus pi to pi by 2. Then you can cancel it, and theta is sin inverse x. So it is the solution of first part. Again we start from the starting. ठीक है, मैं दोबारा से स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ बिकॉज बहुत सारे बच्चों को भी प्रॉब्लम आई होगी कि हाउ डू स्टार्ट दिस सॉल्व, बिकॉज दिस इज समथिंग टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लम. ओके, देन देखो अगेन यू सी वी आर सपोजिंग x is sin theta, but the problem is that ये कैंसिल नहीं हो सकता था. देखो अगेन यू इफ यू स्टार्ट टाइप नंबर 1, देखो दिस इज sin इनवर्स ऑफ sin 2 pi by 3. You cannot cancel this sin with sin because this angle is 2 pi by 3. आपका एंगल 2 pi by 3 है, आप इसको कैंसिल नहीं कर सकते हो बिकॉज दिस कंडीशन इज हियर. You lies between the first quadrant, means first or fourth quadrant, minus pi by 2 pi by 2. Then what we do here, we start this way. Sin inverse we can write here sin pi minus pi by 3. We take the help of pi. ठीक है, pi or 2 pi, because from the pi this is not change, the relation not change. Now it is sin inverse of sin pi by 3. Now you can cancel and you get the answer is pi by 3. Please इसको देखो. देखो if you have sin inverse of sin 2 pi by 3, so it cannot be cancelled because 2 pi by 3 lies between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So it is not cancelled because 2 pi by 3 not lies between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So we change this pi minus. So here you have sin 2 theta, but this is not given the 2 theta lies from where to where. So first of all we check 2 theta lies from where to where. So for that they are given x lies between minus 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. We are supposing x is sin theta. Then we find the values of theta here. This is sin inverse minus 1 by root 2 to sin inverse 1 by root 2. Now this minus sign we take outside. This is minus pi by 4. This is pi by 4. Here is theta, but we have 2 theta. Then we multiply by 2 theta and we get minus pi by 2 pi by 2. That means this angle lies between minus pi by 2 pi by 2. Therefore, you can cancel this sign with this sign and you get 2 theta. And the theta, the values of theta is 2 sin inverse. Now, if you have any problem, then please ask. है ना? देखो अगर आप मुझसे पूछोगे तो मुझे लगेगा कि आप क्लास अटेंड कर रहे हो. ओके, if you have any problem in this, then we start the second part now. In second part you have x lies between different 1 by root 2 to 1. Okay, then we have again another thing. Please, ये बहुत टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लम है, मैंने ऐसे क्वेश्चंस आपको कराए नहीं है. दिस इज ओनली वन क्वेश्चन. ये एक ही क्वेश्चन हम करेंगे when the lockdown is open, then we start this type of question because ये क्वेश्चंस थोड़े से टेक्निकल है. Because theta is not given, theta is given indirectly, then you first check, then you solve. किसी और क्वेश्चन में ऐसा हमें नहीं करना होगा. Okay, this is only one example in NCERT, therefore we start there. Now we start the second example. Okay, in second example they are given x lies between 1 by root 2 to 1. Okay, now your x lies between 1 by root 2 to 1. Okay, then again what is the x? X is sin theta. We are supposing x is sin theta. This is 1 by root 2 to 1. Then what is theta? That is sine inverse 1 by root 2 to 1. Now what is the value of 1 by root 2? That is pi by 4. And this is pi by 2. Now what is 2 theta? 2 theta is pi by 2 to pi. Ab dekho, this is a problem. Now pi by 2 to pi means third quadrant. And if it is in third quadrant, so sine is can't cancel with sine. Now देखो, please see here. This is 2 theta. 2 theta lies between pi by 2 to pi. Then we have a problem for it. देखो अब प्रॉब्लम आ गई है. Okay, this is 2 theta lies between pi by 2 to pi. But if it is lies between pi by 2 to pi, then sine is not cancel with this. Sine cancel हो ही नहीं सकता है. Okay, in NCERT they are what they do. In NCERT they let x is cos theta here. Okay, they are not supposing x is sin theta. So according to cos theta they come in the interval. But how we find कि like sin or cos? Okay, ये तो NCERT ने कर दिया, cos let कर लिया, they given the answer is cos because right side is given, they supposing cos and they get the answer. But in board they if they are not given the right side, then how you solve this? Because this 2 theta lies between pi by 2 to pi, but this is the condition, this sign is cancelled with the sign when the angle lies between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. This is 2 pi by 3, so you cannot cancel sign with the sign. First we change it. So how we change? If we note it, so we use pi, we use pi, we write pi minus something. तो अब प्रॉब्लम ये है कि इसको पाई माइनस कैसे लिखूंगा, बिकॉज मुझे तो मालूम ही नहीं है कि कहां से कहां तक लाई कर रहा है. तो देखो यू सी हियर, नाउ वी लेट -2 थीटा, -2 थीटा वी आर मल्टीप्लाइंग विद माइनस. So this is minus pi to minus pi by 2. देखो we are multiplying with minus pi. ठीक है, we are multiplying with minus sign. So if you multiply with minus sign, तो inequality is change. You already know inequality is change. तो देखो we are adding now pi. We add pi to all the numbers. ठीक है, मैं इसमें pi add कर रहा हूँ. मैं हर एक में pi add कर रहा हूँ. तो if you add pi, तो this is 0. देखो pi minus 2 theta lies between pi by 0 to pi by 2 and your condition is fulfilled. Because now your this my pi minus 2 theta is lies in first quadrant. देखो this is very typical question. ये ऑनलाइन करने वाला क्वेश्चन नहीं है, but this is the problem. हमारे पे कोई सॉल्यूशन ही नहीं है, तो इसलिए मैं इसको आपको यहीं करके दिखा रहा हूँ. ओके, दिस इज ओनली वन क्वेश्चन वी स्टार्ट. तो देखो दिस इन सेकंड पार्ट द हियर क्वेश्चन इज सेम. यहां तक क्वेश्चन सेम होगा. sin इनवर्स ऑफ sin 2 थीटा. Now what we do, this 2 theta we write pi minus 2 theta because pi minus something is same. Sin pi minus theta is sin theta. Now this sin is cancelled with sin and we get pi minus 2 theta. What is the values of theta? That is sin inverse x. अभी मैंने आपको एक आइडेंटिटी नहीं कराई है, आज मैं वो आइडेंटिटी करा दूंगा. pi by 2 minus sin inverse x is cos inverse x. This is an identity. Please copy this question and please send yes if you understand this question, send no to me if you not understand this question. We again repeat here. Okay, please. देखो वन स्टूडेंट सेइंग कि लास्ट सर ये नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्लियर नहीं हुआ है. दैट्स द नेक्स्ट थिंग मैं आपको करके दिखा रहा हूँ. प्लीज सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन, ऑल क्वेश्चंस. ओके, देखो वन स्टूडेंट सेइंग नो सर, रिप्लाई नहीं हुआ है. 1 मिनट. ओके, दैट्स गुड. We again repeat this question. Please send me yes or no. Because this is very important thing. मैं सिर्फ ये एक ही क्वेश्चन कराऊंगा. मुझे भी मालूम है जैसा प्रॉब्लमेटिक क्वेश्चन, but you can understand कि what is the meaning of the x lies between जो पीछे given होता है. What is the meaning of this? ठीक है, देखो again we repeat this one. देखो again we start the type number 1. देखो please if you see type number 1, in type number 1 हम क्या करते थे? ठीक है, in type 1 what we do here, देखो जो क्वेश्चंस हमारे पास बहुत पहले थे, बहुत पहले क्वेश्चंस हमने सीखे थे टाइप नंबर 1 वाले क्वेश्चन. देखो दिस इज टाइप नंबर 1. ओके, हमने ये क्वेश्चन बहुत पहले सीखे थे. देखो दिस वन, देखो ये क्वेश्चंस हमने बहुत पहले सीखे थे. दिस इज 1 मिनट, सॉरी, हां दिस क्वेश्चन. देखो sin इनवर्स sin pi by 3. प्लीज सी योर स्क्रीन. In type number 1 what we do, this sin is cancelled with sin. देखो if you see the answer of first part is pi by 3, the answer of second part is 2 pi by 3, but in fourth part देखो the answer in fourth part is not 2 pi by 3. The answer of the fourth part is pi by 3. Why it is pi by 3? Because we break this 2 pi by 3. Why we break 2 pi by 3? Because for that you have a condition. देखो एक condition थी इसके लिए कि sin inverse cancel with sin x. अभी वो condition मेरे पास नहीं लिखी हुई है. It is only cancel in principal branch. They are cancel only with the principal branch. ठीक है, जब ये प्रिंसिपल ब्रांच होती थी तभी कैंसिल होते थे. जैसे फिफ्थ पार्ट cos इनवर्स ऑफ cos 7 pi by 6, इट कैन नॉट बी कैंसिल. ये कैंसिल नहीं हो सकता है. because that cos inverse cos 7 pi by 6 not lies in your first quadrant. देखो ये प्रॉब्लम वाला क्वेश्चन तो है थोड़ा सा, ओके, बट देखो वन स्टूडेंट आस्किंग व्हाई वी आर नॉट टेकिंग cos x. देखो प्लीज सी योर एनसीईआरटी सॉल्यूशन. ठीक है, पहले एनसीईआरटी का सॉल्यूशन देखो आप. एनसीईआरटी का सॉल्यूशन देखो. दिस इज द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ योर एनसीईआरटी. दिस इज द क्वेश्चन ऑफ एनसीईआरटी. प्लीज सी योर स्क्रीन. This is the question of NCERT, solution of NCERT. What NCERT would do? In NCERT, they are taking x equal to cos theta. They are not supposing x is sin theta. But if right side is not given, suppose right side is not given, so how you suppose आपको कैसे मालूम चलेगा cos let करना है sin let करना है? If right side is not given, here the right side is given. In NCERT, they are given right side, but if the right side is not given, then how we let के x is like sin theta करना है या cos theta करना है? So they are given only x is like this number is this, as in NCERT. NCERT in so many questions they are not given right side. So if the right side is not given, then how we solve this question? Okay, then you see your again board देखो आप. देखो we are suppose if you let x is cos theta, तो ये आपको नहीं करना पड़ेगा. This is very simple question. But if the question is come in board and they only say simplify this, if x sin inverse this and x lies between this to this, then how we let हमें कैसे मालूम चलेगा sin let करना है cos let करना है? Because both the numbers sin and cos can be let here. Okay, that x will let sin theta. This is 2 sin inverse. So here is the same. Again, we repeating the question. This is sin inverse of sin 2 theta. We have sin inverse of sin 2 theta. This sin is cancelled with sin. Okay, but for that you have a condition. This 2 theta lies between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So how we find it lies between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2? We're supposing x, because this x is this. In first part, they are given x is this. What is x? X is sin theta. So we are supposing x is sin theta. Okay, now we're finding the values of theta. We take sin this side, sin this side. We have minus 1 by root 2 to 1 by root 2. Minus pi by 4 to pi by 4. Then the question is 2 theta. So we multiply by 2 theta and we get the answer. ओके, अब अगेन यू सी, देखो अगेन प्लीज मैं रब कर रहा हूं, थोड़ा सा बोर्ड रब कर रहा हूं, ये बोर्ड रब कर रहा हूं. देखो जब आपके पास क्वेश्चन आता था साइन इनवर्स ऑफ साइन 120 डिग्री, तो यू कैन नॉट कैंसल दिस साइन विद साइन बिकॉज़ द एंगल इज 120 डिग्री. तो फॉर दैट वी यूजिंग 180 और 360, सिर्फ 180 और 360 ही यूज करते हैं. वी राइट हियर 180 minus 60 because in 180 the relation is not changed, relation is same. So this is sine inverse 60. Now it cancel and you get the answer is 60. But the main thing is that you cannot cancel sine to sine because this angle not lies between first and fourth quadrant. You have a condition that your angle lies between this or this. Okay. So if you let the second part, your x is given 1 by root 2 to 1. Then what is the x? X is sine theta. We are supposing here sine theta. Then take theta values. So here 2 theta lies between pi by 2 to pi. Pi by 2 to pi का मतलब है pi by 2 to pi. यानी कि ये इस क्वाड्रेंट में है, तो यू कैन नॉट कैंसिल विद sin to sin. अब sin sin कैंसिल नहीं हो सकता. But one thing I already remember, if we take the help of 180, we put this number is 180 minus this. If you have theta here and you put 180 minus theta, so the quadrant is automatically changed because you put 180 minus theta and theta is not given here, so we are supposing 180 minus theta. तो हम देखो कैसे कर रहे हैं. We multiply minus sign to both sides. मैंने दोनों साइड माइनस से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया है. Then we adding pi both the sides. And for that we have pi minus 2 theta lies between 0 to pi by 2. That was first quadrant. And if it is in first quadrant, so this sign is cancelled with sign. But it is only cancelled when it is in the first quadrant. So we put this 2 theta is pi minus 2 theta because pi minus 2 theta lies between 0 to pi by 2. So this sign is cancelled with sign and we put the values of theta and we get the answer. देखो this is only one type, इसे डरने की जरूरत नहीं है. ये only one question in an NCERT. So please copy it out this and again come on NCERT question number that because class finish होने वाली है. Then we again come on NCERT. देखो this type of the question only given in exemplar. They are not given in RD even. Okay, in NCERT only one question, that is only example number 3. But in example they are what do? They let x is cos theta. This is the problem. Okay. Then we again come on NCERT please. NCERT पे देखो अब again we come on NCERT. हम दोबारा से NCERT पे आ रहे हैं. देखो if you see in NCERT, देखो question number 9, question number 10, they are not given right side. They are given only these values. ये values automatically उसी डोमेन में आती हैं, तो हम आंख बंद करके x को tan theta let कर लेते हैं. But if they change this, do not afraid, ये questions में कभी भी change नहीं करता है. They never change this way. Okay. देखो द क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 to 19 दे आर होमवर्क बिकॉज सब सेम क्वेश्चंस हैं, मैं ऑलरेडी करा चुका हूं. Then I coming on miscellaneous. अब मैं miscellaneous पे जा रहा हूँ डायरेक्ट. देखो the miscellaneous exercise 1 to 8 already we have done. 1 to 8. This first question is type 1. Second question is type 1. Okay. Then we come on question number 10, 9th, 10th, 11th. देखो again in 10 we change the domain. Here lies between x 0 to pi by 4. Now we change 0 to pi. तो ये question change हो जाएगा. Okay, so we start from 9 question. देखो again see, please note down your homework. मैंने आपको हॉलीडे होमवर्क में भी ओनली इनवर्स टिगो दी है बिकॉज आई नो कि इनवर्स टिगो में थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं. तो इनवर्स टिगो पर डरने की जरूरत नहीं है. इन इनवर्स टिगो वी हैव ओनली 1+2. For inverse Tigo, only 2 books are important. One is NCERT, second is Exemplar. Nothing that. खाली Exemplar और NCERT करनी है, okay? और in Exemplar only जो Exemplar है, that is the in Exemplar. देखो, this is your Exemplar book. Exemplar भी बहुत मुश्किल नहीं है, but Exemplar में आपको करना क्या है? From 20th is the very important question. 20th से आपको क्वेश्चन करने शुरू करने हैं. 20th from 20th onward question are very important because these are the objective questions. बट अभी हम एनसीईआरटी कर रहे हैं. तो एनसीईआरटी द मिसलेनियस, देखो योर होमवर्क इज फ्रॉम मिसलेनियस 1 to 8 एंड एनसीईआरटी एक्सरसाइज आफ्टर 11. ठीक है. नाउ वी डूइंग क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. देखो मैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 कर रहा हूं. प्लीज यू सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. अच्छा, ये क्वेश्चंस आप कॉपी कर लो प्लीज. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10, ये क्वेश्चन आप कॉपी कर लो बिकॉज मुझे बोर्ड रब करना होगा. इफ यू हैव स्टिल प्रॉब्लम इन दिस क्वेश्चन देन यू कैन call me or WhatsApp me. I again explain this question. Okay, please copy down this question. अब मैं इसको रब कर रहा हूं. डे आफ्टर यानी कि परसों हमारी क्लास लास्ट क्लास होगी मैथ्स की इस मंथ की. Okay, then I discuss exemplar, so do not miss that class because then I am starting and the day exemplar. उस दिन मैं exemplar करूंगा and exemplar is very important book for that. Okay, देखो this is the question. इसमें बहुत सारे बच्चे इसको स्टार्ट करते हैं. लेट 1, they are supposing 1 is sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2 and sin x is 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. So we start with the two method. They are given x lies between 0 to pi by 4. Now we are taking x lies between 0 to pi. देखो we have changed first and second part. So first and second part is not given in NCERT again. ओके तो देखो मैं आपको आपकी स्टाइल से करके दिखा रहा हूं. बिकॉज़ मैक्सिमम स्टूडेंट दे आर सपोजिंग 1 is sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2. बट ये रैशनलाइज करके भी हो सकता है. दे आल्सो डन बाय द रैशनलाइजिंग. ये रैशनलाइजिंग करके भी हो सकता है. ओके, तो फर्स्ट वी टेक इजी मेथड. मैं इसको रैशनलाइज कर रहा हूं. वी आर रैशनलाइजिंग टू इट. ठीक है, वी आर रैशनलाइजिंग. मैं इसको रैशनलाइज कर रहा हूं. आई एम स्टार्टिंग द रैशनलाइजिंग. ठीक है, मैं रैशनलाइज कर रहा हूं. तो हाउ वी रैशनलाइज इट? देखो बाय द रैशनलाइजिंग इट इज अ इजी मेथड. But if we are supposing x is sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2 and sin x is 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2, so in that method also you can do. देखो मैंने इसको rationalize किया. The rationalize with the plus sign because in denominator we have minus sign, so we are rationalizing with the plus sign. Okay, now what we do? देखो cot inverse. This is cot inverse. देखो a plus b and this is a plus b. This is a square plus b square. A plus b whole square. So it is 1 plus sin x a square यानी कि this square plus b square यानी कि this square minus 2 plus 2ab. 2ab यानी कि 1 plus sin x into 1 minus sin x. ओके, ये मेथड थोड़ा इजी पड़ता है बिकॉज़ उसमें मिस्टेक के चांसेस कम है. अभी मैं सेकंड मेथड स्टार्ट करूंगा, वहां देखना क्या प्रॉब्लम आएगी. देखो दिस इज a minus b a plus b. इट इज a minus b a plus b. a square minus b square. दिस इज 1 minus sin x. तो साइन चेंज हो जाएगा. देखो नाउ sin x is cancel with the sin x. Cot inverse 1 plus 2. 2 under root 1 minus sin square is cos square x. देखो 1 is cancelled. This is 2 sin x. So देखो this is the problem. We have square root of cos square x. And if you remember from 9th class, if you have x square, so it is plus minus mod of x or plus minus x. You can say it is plus minus x. आपको mod नहीं मालूम होगा. तो plus minus x decide by the quadrant. This is decide by the quadrant. देखो the first part lies between 0 to pi by 4. 0 to pi by 4 means first quadrant. In first quadrant, cos is positive. But if you take second part, it is lies between pi by 2 to pi. That means second quadrant. Then you take under root cos square x is minus cos x. Okay. So we are doing first part. So therefore, we're taking first part. So this is the first quadrant. So in first quadrant, all are positive. So we are taking here cos x upon 2 sin x. Now take 2 common from here. देखो अगर 2 common ले लोगे तो 1 plus cos x. That is 2 cos square x by 2 sin x. 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. This 2 is cancelled with this 2. Cos is cancelled with cos. Then we have cot inverse cot x by 2. This is the answer is x by 2. Please को copy कर लो. The another method you can take, one is sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2, and on the place of sin x you can take 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. देखो नेक्स्ट क्लास में मैं आपको मिसलेनियस एक्सरसाइज पूरी कर दूंगा एंड देन आई फिनिश मिसली. देखो वन स्टूडेंट सेइंग कि सर 1 की जगह sin square x by 2 plus cos square ले सकते हैं. बिल्कुल, मैं माउंट मेथड से क्यों नहीं कराता? बिकॉज व्हेन वी राइट इन अंडर रूट 1 minus sin x, you can also write a minus b whole square और b minus a whole square. तो वहां आपको एक टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लम आती है, तो इसलिए आई प्रेफर रेशनलाइजिंग ज्यादा इजी रहता है. ओके, तो नाउ वी मीट डे आफ्टर. हम आपको मैं मिसलेनियस कराऊंगा और एग्जाम्पलर कराऊंगा, तो प्लीज क्लास मिस नहीं करना उस दिन, बिकॉज एनसीईआरटी इनवर्स टिगो इज मोर इंपॉर्टेंट फ्रॉम एग्जाम्पलर. ओके, यस चारू मैम.